Okay, good morning, and thanks so much for coming so early in the morning. So, on behalf of all of the organizers of Data Plus Women here today, we want to welcome you and give you a big thank you for coming. Okay, so why are we here today? We are here because we either know or we are a woman in data. So we started, I didn't, but Data Plus Women is a group, a movement, and what we aim to do with this is not to create a girls group, but what we want to do is to empower and encourage women in data, and also to learn from each other. So, how is it exactly that we set this up? So across Europe, we have different hubs for Data Plus Women. So why would you want to join one of these, and what do we do? What we do is we organize about every 2 to 4 months, depending which region you're in or which group you're with. And what we do is we have a mix of careers talks, we do things like hackathons, and just different talks from different inspiring women in our data community. And of course, there's networking, which is always the most fun part. So in the room today, we have a few representatives from the different European hubs. So from, not yet. So from Paris, we've got Claire and Jade. Hello. Oh, beautiful, absolutely stunning. Yes. Okay, so from London, we have Arnchana and Caroline from Tableau. We do have a selection of ladies also from the Information Lab, Louise, Natasha, I don't think they're here, and Emily Chen, who she kicked off this, this whole thing, and we thank her very much for it. And then we also have the Dutch team. So yeah, Emma and I set up this team, and we have a wonderful ground team that helps us as well. We do also have a Dublin team now too. Yes, okay, so these are the teams. So we're going to be around, so if at any point you want to know more about Data Plus Women in your specific region or country, please feel free to come up to us and ask. What I'll also say is that we have reserved seating in the keynote, so please take this time to talk to each other, get to know each other, and yeah, enjoy the talks by all of the inspiring women that we're about to hear.
Hi, so my name is Caroline Toomey. I'm hailing from Ireland, and I work for a company called Solarwinds that has nothing to do with solar power or wind power. It's actually an IT management software company. Don't know where the name came from. So I started with SolarWinds about 12 years ago doing tech support, and from there, about 2 years ago, discovered Tableau and basically never looked back. So I now run all of the reporting, ad hoc analysis, and anything that the support department needs for our company. So it's a global team of about 200 people. And we're basically using Tableau at the moment to try to discover what our customers need from us, so that we can build a better support experience, so that our tech support reps can do better, so that our customers get a better experience from us. So I'm here basically to learn an awful lot more. It's my very first Tableau conference, so yay! And basically meet an awful lot of amazing people, which I already have. So thank you very much for having me here.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Savita Ramkhelawan. I'm from Bonn. I'm working for almost 8 years at Bonn, and since 2014 I was responsible for implementing self-service BI within the organization, and therefore we chose Tableau. And since then, I'm responsible in giving training in Tableau, so I'm doing that for almost 4 or 5 years now, and yeah, I really enjoy seeing people using Tableau, and I can teach them and level up their skills and enhance their level in Tableau. Yeah, I hope to learn more about the tips and tricks at this conference, so I can give that back to my colleagues. I'm also responsible in the monthly newsletter, so I will be writing about this conference when I'm back in Holland. So thank you very much. And this is my colleague Merel.
Thank you, Savita. My name is Merel van Ooijen. I'm a master data management specialist at PAN. Savita actually taught me to use Tableau, which started about 1.5 years ago. For me, it was really difficult when I started using Tableau, coming from Power BI, so please don't boo me, but it took a while to realize how it worked, how to get that you have different sheet for every visualization. It was confusing to me. But then after coming to the conference last year, it finally clicked for some matter. You notice the knowledge that is around the building. People are enthusiastic about data, about using Tableau, and that's what really inspired me actually to keep on working with Tableau. That's why I'm really happy that I'm here now as well. What I'm hoping to learn as well, what I still lack, or what I feel that I lack, is how to translate the question from the business into a dashboard, which concludes almost everything, but not too much, but enough. So that's sometimes a little bit difficult. So I'm hoping to get inspired, and thank you.
Hello, I am Nathalie Agnès. I work for Swisslife in France, in Paris. Well, I'm in charge of the deployment team integrating Tableau into the customer service department. I've been approached by the data woman to explain you our project. And then I will try to explain you. The goal of our project was to help our 60 managers to manage and to their team and their activity. We decided to give them new reporting, a new dashboard, and to keep good and warm relationships with our clients. In 2017, then we decided to create a database that gathered a lot of data that can help them to measure their performance and their quality of a relation with our clients. I was chosen as a project manager because I was in the past a project manager, and now I am manager of a controlling team. Well, in 2018, we confirmed also that Tableau Server was our good software and to deploy new dashboards. And what was very important that we focused on 2 lines, governance and change. Governance because we wanted to be sure that we can give right to the people that we want to control the right we give to people to access to the data. And also we want to give rights to create dashboards and publish dashboards. And we want to be sure that our dashboard will be right for the right people. And about change now, 40 people were trained to Tableau, and 20 with Creator and 20 with Explorer. And all these people are able to create now dashboards. And well, we are currently also writing a newsletter, like you, and also we share a lot of information in different meetings, especially for the top management. That's very important also, and. We organize a meeting for our user group. We name the Tableau Show, and we share a lot of information about data, about tips and tricks, about which dashboard for whom, etc. And I can say that now lot of we have already. I think we have already saved time with this project, and we share a lot of data. We share also dashboards. By the end of the year, I think all the managers will have the good dashboards and the right dashboards for them, for their need. And now in Swisslife, more and more people, they want to use and to test Tableau. Yes, in our department, we have already, in our department, in IT, with my colleagues there, and also in the data science department. But I know that the finance wants also actuary and so on, and we will grow, our user group will grow very fast. And this project, I know, I will explain that this project was very interesting for me because it breaks the silo in the Swisslife. And it's very important to work all together. It's the type of project that can help for that. Well, there is still much to do, and it's not finished, but the project was very, very positive and stimulating experience, and it was because of, and it was very an experience with all the team of the project, with Acting Vision, our partner in this project, and also with Tableau, of course. Thank you.
Still on? All right, thank you so much for all of the ladies here that told us about the awesome work that they're doing. We have a little bit more time now to do a bit more networking, more eating pastries. Oh, yes, and coffee, very much needed at this time in the morning. I'm just going to reiterate again that we do have reserved seating, so don't worry about rushing over. At about 10 to, Arantana's going to start a Congo line, and we're going to head over to the talk. So for now, have a good time, talk to your neighbors, meet each other, learn from each other, and enjoy the rest of the session. Thanks for coming.